Hey, I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego shopping cart. Start off by getting a 2x3 plate and get this piece and place on the left side. Then get this piece and place it right there. Get a clip piece and connect it to a handlebar piece. The next step is to get a modified plate and place on top of a handlebar piece and connect this to your build. Then get a 2x2 plate and place it on top. For the last part, you're going to need 2 corner panel pieces and place them in the front. And you're going to need 2 1x2 panel pieces and place them on each side. To finish it off, this plate should fit perfectly like this. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how to build a baby stroller, press here, and I'll see you next time.